I was in ALDI recently and I noticed lots of new high protein foods. So I thought I'd put together a video of all the high protein food finds I could find in my local ALDI to share with you. Starting in the area as you walk in, there's all sandwiches and there's also all of these interesting looking new high protein options. There's a protein brownie, which will make for a decadent sweet treat. Protein sausage rolls that you can heat up. You'd think they'd already be protein and add in a bit more. There are these protein power pots which make for a quick grab and go option with all kinds of sweet ingredients in them. Just read the nutritional panel. Make sure you're happy including the ingredients in your diet for yourself. And being summertime now, there's all kinds of new burgers that are on offer that you can just pop on the barbecue or the grill to quickly cook up for a meal. And being originally South African, I was quite excited to find boerewors. I actually picked up a couple of packs of this and it was really good. Such a yum meal, so full of protein. In the fridge section, you'll find a whole treasure trove of protein options, starting with this protein yogurt in a whole lot of different flavors. High protein yogurt mousse in lemon, strawberry, passion fruit. No added sugar, lots of nice flavors there that make a nice high protein sweet treat. There are these granola pots that have high protein granola that come in a whole range of flavors as well. And then there's all the protein. I'm going to chat you through all of these different options that have protein written all over them. So there's lots of options to stock your fridge with that are high protein, starting with these protein pancakes, 20 grams of protein per pack. They look light and fluffy. And if you have a spin around, you can have a look at the ingredients really quickly too. But as I said, always just check the nutritional panel and be sure you're happy including these foods in your diet. They're processed foods, but sometimes just having some options in the fridge are good, but it is up to you what you would like to do. There's protein pudding, also 20 grams of protein per pudding. So if you are going to have a sweet treat, having a bit of protein as well is good to help you meet your macros. There are these fitness pudding, protein, vanilla flavored. There's protein mousse in a couple of flavors, chocolate flavor there that looks like a nice chocolate mousse. Looks like there's a vanilla and a caramel one as well. And just having a closer look here at that protein mousse, there's the ingredients that are in it. So it is up to you. Again, just have a look at the ingredients when you're having a look at all these products and make sure that you're happy including them in your diet. There are also these protein rice puddings that are chocolate flavor, even more protein yogurt options. These have high protein just as all the other protein options I found. So there's strawberry and there's peach and passion fruit as well. Protein yogurt drink, shake it up so you've got a protein shake on the go, 20 grams of protein in it. A little look at the ingredients. And finally, protein pouch, 25 grams of protein, a really speedy high protein option that you can grab and grow from ALDI. But that's a look around ALDI, the new high protein food finds and a store walkthrough. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, and I'll leave a link down below to a blog post that has my 15 favorite high protein snack ideas to give you even more high protein inspiration. So thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again soon. Bye.